Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, and today we're gonna do something special for you. So today we're gonna do a chocolate waffle. And not just a chocolate waffle, but cookies and cream for the inner kid in us. So we're gonna do cookies and cream, which consists of chocolate, because we're gonna use the chocolate Oreo, not the golden. And of course, chocolate waffles. Here's our vitamin content. I'm gonna finish sifting our flour, our sugar, our cocoa powder, and our coffee, which was in here, and our salt, which was the dry ingredient. As you can see, some of it here. I'm gonna finish putting it in here, so that way it can be light and airy, our waffles. So that's why we sift it. And then I'm gonna incorporate our wet together. We're now gonna combine our regular milk with the egg and the vanilla extract. We're just gonna gently beat this. Add a little bit of this here. Now we're gonna pour this right here. I've mixed everything in, and we're just trying to get out the air bubbles that's in here. We're gonna get our Belgian waffle maker heated up, and then we're gonna do the Oreo together. Wow, look at our chocolate waffle. Okay, so now we have our dry here, and this is our wet. So I'm gonna just whisk it up really quickly, and I'm gonna incorporate it like I did with the chocolate, which is now cooking. Okay, and so I'm just gonna pour this inside my dry. And again, I'm gonna fold it and mix it. Oreo. Gently fold and keep folding, so that way you don't overbeat your batter. And here are a list of ingredients. Whoa, look at this. Chocolate lover's dream right here. Oreo waffles. As you see, my cream is starting to melt, but that's okay because it's all about the waffles. And chocolate waffles with chocolate syrup. And of course, we got our strawberry here. So let me taste. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. If you love Oreos, this is definitely it. Really good, guys. Let's do chocolate. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is a chocolate lover's dream for real. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to click the like button. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.